Don't mind me, I have a pine cone. I've actually scrapped the tailstock. I'm actually going to put in mandrel saver. That's a bit nicer. That looks so cool. I do need to fill some voids. Let's go do that.
Zoom in. Pinecone is pretty. Zoom out. I'll take off the lid. Yeah. Where's my trusty knife? Oh no. Alright, let's go and put this in the pen kit. And I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Pinecone pen! There it is! Yes, this is going back to one of my first videos ever made, which was a pen. I like making pens. Pens are fun to make. And this is one of the more nicer pen blanks that I've played with over the years of pen turning, and this is the Pinecone pen. I really like it. It's unique. The patterning is really cool. It's almost like almost like leopards or cheetahs, depending if you want to talk. Yeah, and I would like to say a big thank you to all of you, my subscribers. And how I'm going to do that is I actually want to give this pen away. So in 1 week's time, I'm going to pick a name from the comment section, and one of you are going to win this pen. So how you're going to win it, how you're going to enter is subscribe first. You have to be a subscriber. Yeah, leave a comment in the comment section saying, yes, I want this pen, and that'll put you guys into the draw to win this lovely pen. And I really would like to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you for subscribing. I never thought when I started this YouTube channel that I'd get one person. Well, I did get one person. Thanks, Dad. But no, thank all of you for subscribing and letting me do what I do and being so incredibly supportive. It is really uplifting to see all the comments and the likes. I get dislikes, but you know, some of my stuff just isn't for some people. But that's okay, that's your choice, and I don't mind. So, thank you from the bottom of my heart for 500 subscribers. Yeah. I want to give back. So, I'm going to give this away. Leave a comment in the comment section saying, I want this, or I want to win this. I don't know. Whichever you choose. In 1 week's time from when this video goes up, I will pick a winner. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Turn safe, be happy, stay awesome, because guess what? You are awesome. Yes, you right there. Stay awesome. I'll see you guys soon. See ya.